Welcome to our video. Are you looking for weight loss video? Then you are at right place. This is the best method of weight loss. Veganism is a dietary lifestyle that has gained popularity in recent years for its ethical and environmental benefits. It involves avoiding all products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey, and instead relying on plant-based foods for sustenance. But beyond its ethical and environmental advantages, veganism can also have health benefits, including weight loss. In this video, we will explore how to lose weight with veganism by providing tips on healthy eating and physical activity. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods are foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. They are often high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also providing important nutrients. Some examples of whole foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It's important to avoid processed vegan foods, such as vegan cheese, vegan meat substitutes, and vegan junk food, which can be high in calories, fat, and sodium. Watch your portions. Even healthy vegan foods can be high in calories, so it's important to watch your portions. One way to do this is to use smaller plates, which can make your portions look larger. Another way is to measure your food using measuring cups or a food scale. Finally, try to avoid eating until you feel stuffed, and instead, eat until you feel comfortably full. Increase your protein intake. Protein is an important nutrient for weight loss because it can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. Some vegan protein sources include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. It's important to incorporate a variety of protein sources into your diet to ensure you're getting all the necessary amino acids. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda, fruit juice, and sweetened coffee or tea, can be high in calories and contribute to weight gain. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. If you want to add flavor to your water, try adding sliced fruit or herbs, such as lemon, lime, mint, or cucumber. Exercise regularly. Exercise is an important component of weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, on most days of the week. You can also incorporate strength training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, into your routine to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Losing weight with veganism requires a balance of healthy eating and physical activity. By focusing on whole foods, controlling your portions, increasing your protein intake, avoiding sugary drinks, and exercising regularly, you can achieve your weight loss goals while also reaping the ethical and environmental benefits of a vegan lifestyle. As with any dietary or lifestyle changes, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian if you have any concerns or questions. We hope this video was helpful for you. If this was helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more health-related updates. If you have any comment in your mind, then don't hesitate to leave it below in comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.